Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are building a 3.7 to 5 volt boost converter circuit from scratch, and I'll explain exactly how every component works to step up that voltage. So let's get started. The MC3463 switches its internal transistor on and off, up to 100,000 times per second. Each time it switches on, the inductor stores energy in its magnetic field. Each time it switches off, that energy is released, pushing the voltage higher. The Schottky diode lets it pass. The output capacitor smooths it out. Result? A clean, stable 5 volts. 2 resistors, R4 at 1K and R5 at 330 ohms, tell the IC exactly what output voltage to hold. Under a 200 milliamp load, the output holds at 4.92 volts, well within USB tolerance. It can even charge a phone. 1 battery, 1 IC, 5 volts. That's the boost converter. Small, simple, and surprisingly powerful. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.